The Bugatti Chiron Supersport, right? What a machine. I mean, 1,577 horsepower from that quad turbo W16, it's just insane. And the way it hits 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 seconds, you really feel that G-force. Plus, the carbon fiber monocoque and adaptive suspension make it surprisingly comfortable for such a beast.
A new beginning starts here.
Honestly, it's a masterpiece of engineering.
Carefully, every move matters. Let's get you out of here. Now the real work begins. Still beautiful, even like this. Slow and gentle.
Years of dirt washing away. Every surface deserves care.
Bringing the details back. Time to strip it down. One piece at a time. Precision matters here.
Deep cleaning starts inside.
Let's see the heart. Still alive, just resting.
Old rust doesn't stand a chance. Every surface must be smooth. Neutralizing decay quietly.
Every inch gets attention.
Safety and precision go hand in hand. Every piece deserves care. Detailing makes perfection possible.
Shining every hidden part.
Every connection matters. Patience is key. Preparing every surface for a new life. Edges protected, ready for transformation.
Building a flawless foundation.
Smooth is everything. Ready for the new color. Ready for the new color. Every line must be perfect.
A new chapter begins in yellow.
Smooth and flawless.
Every surface gleams.
Perfection is in the details.
Every seat returns to its place. Every detail clicks back into perfection. Every detail clicks back into perfection.
The wheel guides the journey ahead.
Control restored, ready to perform.
Every corner spotless and soft.
Smoothing every surface for shine. Bringing the brilliance to life.
Every curve gleams. Shining the details that matter. Darkened and perfect.
Crystal clear vision restored.
The heart shines again. Everything is perfect now.
Every angle deserves admiration.
The heart unveiled. Everything feels like new.
Shine that stops time. Every curve glows under the light.
Perfection mirrored below.
Ready to be driven again. From forgotten to unforgettable.